Hi, I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 4 Winds by Thor Corporation. This is a 2019 22-foot Class C. It's a great little rig. So let's take a look. We've got our mirrors here. They've got the side cameras already built in. So for a little coach, it's already got the side cameras. It makes it really easy to drive. We got some great storage. Behind this door, we keep it locked because, well, they're little flat panel TVs. Sorry about the noise out here. We're along Highway 99, just on the edge of Junction City. We've got our power awning, push a button. Love those lights up on top, LED. They create a lot of light, make the underneath space of our awning really a usable space. Here we've got our tow hitch. This one is rated for 8,000 pounds. So this coach can actually tow quite a bit of weight. Always check and see how much weight you can actually carry inside and out. This is one of our bigger storage areas here. It's got a disconnect for our power cord, so that way you can actually stow the power cord inside instead of having it mounted to your coach. We've got our Santa flush system. Love these. These help wash out your black tank, keep the odors down quite a bit. Our outside shower for cleaning up after we've gone and played at the beach and had a lot of fun. I got boxers, I got to wash them down. Here we've got our generator. This is an Onan 4000 micro quiet. Runs on the main fuel tank. Here's our propane tank. Good sized propane tank again for a 22-foot coach. 6-gallon gas water heater. Let's go inside and take a look at this coach. So inside the 22B 4 Winds, we've got the Ford chassis. In the center of the dash, we've got our backup monitor with our side cameras. So when you turn on your turn signal, it'll show you what's down the side of your coach. Helps encourage people to use their turn signals. Makes driving safer. We've got our booth dinette. This is going to make into a very comfortable bed. About a full-size bed is what it would be. Up front, we've got a really large cab area overhead bunk with a very large TV. That TV is on a swing-out arm. And right next to it, we've got our Blu-ray player already wired in. Here's our kitchen. If you've got to have a small kitchen, it's nice to have one big sink. That way you can get everything in here. I got a lot of pans in mine that I can't get in one of my little sinks, so I love this big sink here. Here we've got the new Furon stove oven combination. It's got a glass door, just like you do at home, so you can see what's going on in here. Above, we've got our microwave. Okay. As we work back, there's our refrigerator. Good sized refrigerator for a little 22-foot coach. 16,000 BTU forced air furnace with a fan. Move the air around. How many coaches do you see that have a place for a garbage can? Again, mine doesn't. I got to get a better coach. Nice pantry storage with some adjustable shelves. In back, we've got our walk-around queen-size bed. It's an RV queen. When the slide comes up, this mattress does fold over. That way we can have a good-sized bed in a small space with this slide out. Love the fact that we've got a window in the back. Everybody loves the view. You get out there, you want to look at the lake. On each side of the bed, we've got windows that open so you can get that cross-flow ventilation. And right here, we've got our TV right across from the bed. So if you like to go to bed watching a little TV at night, that's set up for it. Love the size of this bathroom. And this is a 4 Winds 2019 22B. My name's Roger.Woodruff. If you have any more questions about this coach or any of the others that I've shown you, give me a call. Love to hear from you.